If you plan on watching some soccer during this year's World Cup, then you better get used to this noise. Ice right ahead. Let's find out if it's the most annoying noise that people could possibly imagine. Yeah, I think it is.
That's pretty bad.
Yeah?
I've heard worse, but that's pretty bad.
How would that compare to, say, Tina Arena's The Look of Love? Maybe just a quick comparison. Hit it, Paul.
I'd go for the horn.
No votes for Tina Arena.
No, 0 for Tina Arena.
Did you find this more annoying, or my friend Paul reading Caroline Wilson's article in Today's Age through a megaphone? Let's find out.
Yeah.
In a week when it has become apparent that Gary Ablett will most likely leave Geelong and the competition will play a rugby league star.
It's annoying. You should
Do you mind if I read the second paragraph as an issue?
I'll kill myself. I'd much prefer that than that.
Not the Essendon Football Club. The
I hate
Bombers
it.
find themselves at the crossroads.
I hate it.
Mind if I finish this? Good point.
Excuse me, sir, could you just tell us if this is the most annoying sound that you could possibly imagine? I haven't played it yet.
This is called the vuvuzela. They're going to be playing this a lot at the World Cup in South Africa.
Yeah.
Can you tell me whether you find it annoying or you think it adds to the game? Just stay there.
Slightly, not too bad though.
How would that compare to me doing some town crying? Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Good people of Melbourne!
That was terrible.
Yep.
So I'd probably go with that one.
Okay.
Go with the vuvuzela.
Yeah,
All right.
definitely.
You know why that hurts? Because he has not practiced that at all, but that's like 5 years.
Well, let's wrap this up, Paul.
Yep.
3 votes to the vuvuzela.
Yeah.
It's actually quite well received by the Melbourne public, I thought.
Yeah. 2 votes go to Tina Arena's latest drinks coaster, otherwise known as
Songs of Love and Loss is the
Album.
name of
Yes.
the album.
And in a big surprise, 1
Who gets
vote.
the one?
Caroline Wilson's article read through a megaphone. You know what, Jeff? I think bad call.